Hey DIY family, and welcome to the Hacked by Ebanks YouTube studio, number 1 of 3. Alright guys, so I am working on transforming 3 different spaces in our home into comfortable spaces where we can record videos, whether it's tutorials or just sit down and talk videos. So I've started this one space. It's not complete, but I am still using it because it's our sit down and talk space, and this is a sit down and talk video. All right, so today we are going to be talking about a project that we took on. It is our first official project outside of our home and outside of our friends and family homes, so this is a big deal. If you don't know, then I'll let you know that I am a certified interior decorator. I got my certification in 2020 because it's something that I wanted to do. It's something that I was interested in, so I said, let me get certified and we'll see how this goes. Well guys, this is our first project and we're excited. Alright, let's jump right in. Our client purchased a 1-bedroom apartment. He doesn't live in Jamaica, but he wants to fully furnish the place in a way that he can use it when he's here, and possibly Airbnb or short-term rent it when he's not here. So that is what we're working on. It's a 1-bedroom unit and he wants it to be as modern as possible given what we can find in Jamaica now. There is a shortage of everything, but we're going to try to ensure that we have a pretty cohesive space for him, a space that he will love, and hopefully his potential vacationers will love as well. So first of all, I'm going to give you a walkthrough of the apartment so you know what we're working with, and then we'll jump into some design elements that we looked at so far, and look at some of the plans that we have for the space. So we're just going to do a quick walkthrough of this 1-bedroom unit. As you enter, you have the kitchen on the left, and it's semi-furnished now because he has already purchased the appliances. This is a microwave that's going to be installed above the stove, and it has a vent. And he has a fridge already semi-installed. To the right, we have the laundry area, and he's already procured the washer and the dryer. They were just delivered and they will be installed as well. Now right off the kitchen there is a living room and what could possibly be a dining room. There are nice straight ceilings, no recessed lights though, but we'll get to change that. And the living room already has an air conditioned unit, and off the we have a big window letting in a lot of light, and then there's a balcony off this area right here, and then we walk into a powder room, which is a 2-piece bath. The door opens out. Not ideal, but it works. So this is a 2-piece bathroom or a powder room or a guest bathroom, so that guests don't have to walk directly through his bedroom to use the bathroom. And then we walk into his bedroom. But hold on, can we talk about these tiles, guys? The herringbone pattern is so nice. I know we love herringbone, so I'm crazy for these tiles. I mean, they need to be cleaned a little bit more because it's the wood look tile that they used in here, and when they grouted the area, then kind of left it, so it will need to be cleaned more so that you can really see, you know, the beauty of it. It's not a shiny tile, it's a matte finish tile, but it still works well in the space. All right, so this is the bedroom and it's very spacious. Same type of tray ceilings. This wall is actually 16 feet, so it's 16 by 13, so it's a very big bedroom. And I know he's looking forward to putting a king size bed in here. And then we have the closet, and it's already built in with hanging storage. No drawers, but we can fix that with furniture easily. But it's a nice closet. And then you have the ensuite, same herringbone pattern that is carried through the entire unit, and it's a single vanity and an enclosed shower. And the shower is pretty nice, of course. I love the drain. And of course, this just needs some sprucing up. And right off the bedroom, there's a balcony as well. Nice little enclosed balcony, in case you want to put anything out there. Alright, and that's pretty much it in a nutshell. I'm looking forward to furnishing and completing this space, and I'll definitely take you along with me as we start this new journey, guys. I'm excited. Alright, so that was fun. It's a pretty decent space. When we first saw it, we thought that it was a nice, comfortable space, and we had a lot of grand ideas, but we had to tone it down to ensure that what we were doing is what the customer actually wants and what he likes. So after going through a series of questions and discussions with the customer, we came up with the first thing, which is the 2D layout, and it kind of shows exactly where the furniture would go and how we would lay it out in the space to ensure that there's cohesion and everything flows well. Now, this is a simple 2D layout. It shows the living room and the dining room and how the furniture will be placed in the room, and it also shows how the furniture will be placed in the bedroom. This is done to scale to ensure that whatever we're purchasing or whatever we say can fit in the space can actually fit in the space, right? We don't want to buy a couch and then when it delivers it too big or it drop into the space and it too small. So this is a very important step in the design process after you gather all the requirements and all the likes and wants of the client. The next thing that we started working on together was the concept board. And this really gives you an idea or a feel for exactly what or how you want the space to look and feel. So for the living room, we're going with a very modern, contemporary feel. A lot of dark colors with light wood tones because the client wants light wood tones, and we think that give the space a modern feel as well. He's also interested in keeping the furniture dark, especially the furniture like the couch, because if he's going to rent it, he wants something that isn't going to mess up easily, and so that's why we chose this. He also wants a touch of Jamaica in the space, because if he's renting it to foreigners, then he wants them to feel like they're actually in Jamaica even though they're in the middle of Kingston and it's hustle bustle. So we'll be incorporating Jamaica through art and small decor pieces that we find along the way. The bedroom is supposed to be a nice, moody and cozy room. It's supposed to be a getaway, and so we went with some cool, calm colors. Again, we bring through the light wood tones from the furniture. We want to try to use solid wood furniture, but if we can't get that, then we'll work with what we can find. It's a pretty simple layout. We'll have the bed and 2 side tables and a lovely dresser for additional storage. There is a closet there already which provides for hanging and putting up shoes. But if he has a guest who is staying longer than a weekend or maybe a week and they want to unpack, so that's the kind of feel that we're going for in the bedroom. The bathroom is not depicted on these, but it's pretty much the same. A nice cozy feel. The art in these spaces will be abstract to ensure that, you know, it's not too personal, and we'll try to incorporate a little Jamaica in the bedroom and in the bathroom as well. He also loves plants, and so we definitely have to incorporate plants on the balconies and inside the space to ensure that the space is warm and cozy, especially for when he visits and needs to use the space. Alright guys, so there you have it. That's the space that we're working with. Those are our design plans. Initially we want to have the space up and ready, well, functional and rentable as soon as possible. So it might be a process in getting in every single element of the design. So we'll just bring you along on the journey with us because we're very excited about this. So hopefully every month we will have an update on the space to give you guys and let you know how it's working out. And as soon as it's listed on Airbnb, we'll let you know so that you can go ahead and book it as well. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully next week we'll finish this space so that I can give you a little tour and show you all the fun DIY projects that I was able to do to spruce it up without spending much. I know I said that I wouldn't spend any money on the space. However, I did spend a little just to get the Hat by Ebanks logo. I mean, it had to be here. So that's the only thing that we spent on. Everything else was used or will be used from what we have already. So thanks for watching and see you next week. Bye and stay safe, guys.